Good morning, futures traders. Welcome to Futures Trading with the Funded Trader. Today is October 25th. The time is 9:05 a.m. and we are going to be trading crude today. We are on the 12-3 bar size and we'll be using the NinjaTrader Automated Strategy ShopBot Pro Legend Series. Looks like we're in a down wave right now, so we'll wait to see what the bot picks up for our first order. So I'll be back when we're in our first order.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, we are in our first runner on this
Order
up wave.
canceled.
So we'll follow that up, see what kind of move we get. We are trading 3 contracts today. ShopBot is a strategy that allows you to trade multiple instruments at the same time. I just chose to trade crude this morning so far because the chart looked the best. You can see by the smooth waves we have here, and we have a little chop here, but for the most part they're smooth waves. If you look at the NQ, it's pretty sloppy this morning, so I'm going to wait to see post open how that chart starts to look. But ShopBot Pro loves to have nice smooth waves just like we're having here, so that's why I decided to trade this bot this morning. Still in this trade, so let's see how long we can stay in it for before it gets to our break even. Okay, looks like we have a little momentum here. I'll continue trailing the stop to keep a lot of the profit we're in. So far we're up $531. You don't have to trail the stop. I like to trail the stop. The software has built-in risk management tools, and when it sees that it's starting to turn around, it'll take the profit quickly, but trailing gets me a little bit more profit. But sometimes it gets me out of the trade earlier than possible, so there's pros and cons to that as well. Looks like the Dow futures are down 121, S&P futures are down 7, the Nasdaq up just a little bit at 9. I guess there was a housing report that came out that they're cooling off now, so might have a downward bias this morning. Let's see how that affects oil. Always important to look for the news. Ensure that you're not trading during any news periods. We'll just let this play out and see what our total profit is. We're going to try to shoot for 1,000 to 3,000, but I might stop here at 1,000 here and move over to NQ and see how that looks. I was just looking left to see if there was any resistance hit, and I did see some here earlier. This level, you can see that it hit this a couple times. So looks like we're hitting that level now. So it may hit there and kind of stop. See, it hit here again for the 4th time. So if it breaks through, we should have a pretty nice uptick. If not, we may see a reversal. But let's watch the market play out. What the market's going to do, what the market's going to do. So you can see it hit this resistance again. It looks like it's coming down a little bit, so interesting how the markets work. I was hoping that it would kind of break through this resistance, but we'll see. Again, we have a big wick, so that's signifying a lot of sellers here, but we'll see. I cannot predict the market, but always look left on your charts like I did. So you can see this was a level here, another level here. We hit this level a couple times, so let's see how this plays out. Okay, we broke through that level, so let's see if we get some momentum behind that. And here we go. That's what we're waiting for. Break through that level, we should see that nice momentum uptick. All right, we are approaching the next level of resistance. You see by this blue line that I drew earlier. So we'll see how it reacts around that level. There are some days that trading crude requires a lot of patience. So we're in this trade for about 19 minutes now, give or take a minute. It's pretty slow today. Sometimes it moves quickly, but it's a profitable trade. So patience is key. No panic. Just continue trading, trailing the stop, and get as much profit as we can get out of this. This might be a one and done trade for today. I'm okay with that. Makes it nice and easy, especially before the market opens. We'll wait and see. Sometimes crude gets a boost at the open of the stock market. So we'll see how that reacts at the open in 6 minutes. We're approaching this next level of resistance here. See how we do. Get enough momentum to break through that level. We're 2 minutes from the market open. Okay, the stock market is open now, 9:30. See if we get any momentum from that. I did try to break through this level here. Let's see if we get some continued upward momentum. If not, we hit our trailing stop and we're done for the day. Struggling a little bit with this level here. See what it did when see it hit this level. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times prior to this. This will be the 5th time it's hitting this level. And it just can't get past this. Looks like it's doing the same thing here. It may get stopped out. If so, we'll take it down.
Canceled. Order submitted.
Crude is moving a little slow today. I haven't seen it move this slow in a while, so must not be any news to move it. But again, patience will stay in the trade, and we'll see how it finishes out. Now we have a little movement, but let's see if we hit our first stop and get our runner here.
Order filled.
All right, we hit our target. That was a long time. Now we'll just sit on our runner and see how we do on this, and then this will be our last trade. So this will be 2 for 2 for the ShopBot Pro Legend Series. Again, patience was key here. We're in 35 minutes into our trading session since we began, and that was just for this move and whatever this move down is going to take us, and then that'll be it for the day. But you can see discipline, patience. Sometimes the markets don't move. Sometimes you get a $1,000 trade in 30 seconds. Others, it takes 30 minutes. So it doesn't matter. $1,400 in 30 minutes worth of work. I'll take that all day long.
Order filled.
All right, we hit our break-even point, so let's wait for this bar to finish to see where we ended up on the day. I did turn the bot off. Again, you'll hear me say this every day. Discipline, discipline, discipline. Stick to your strategy no matter how long it takes. Follow your rules. Do not break your rules. If you do, you will get a loss. Practice, practice, practice. Use simulation where you can. Learn how to use the tools you have. Practice your strategy. When you do lose, go back. See why you lost, what the environment was like, what you did. Were you tired? Did you break your rule? Was the market moving too fast? Were you in consolidation? It's important to stick to them. There are going to be losing days. That's just the nature of this business. I anticipate we'll probably be around 1100-ish to 1000 once this bar closes. Wait for that, and then we'll close out this session. All right, so 1222 on the session, 40 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, like and subscribe to my videos and my channel. I do post content daily. If you made it this far, congratulations. You were as patient as I was for the day. Have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow.